Hello, my name's John Yin. I'm a professor of chemical and biological engineering at University of Wisconsin-Madison, and I'm happy to have this opportunity to share with you a little bit of information about me, my lab, and my coworkers. So we are residing in the Wisconsin Institute for Discovery, shown in the top right. It's just across the street from the engineering hall. A little bit about myself. I grew up in a suburb near Washington, D.C., in Maryland. Did a couple of bachelor's degrees, one in the liberal arts and one in chemical engineering, before pursuing graduate studies in chemical engineering and postdoctoral work in biophysical chemistry. After that, I decided to become a professor because that would allow me to study the most rewarding questions and problems, as well as train students. My research interests are in systems biology and systems chemistry. These have applications in developing strategies to stop viruses, as well as drug discovery and drug testing. For fun, I like to play music, cook and eat, as well as do a number of sports. And what I like most about Madison is the very strong biological and physical sciences, the highly collaborative culture, and the outstanding students that we attract. Which brings me to my students. I have graduate students, undergrads, postdocs, high schoolers even, spanning a variety of areas in chemistry, physics, computation, and engineering, mostly engineers. My collaborators are in chemical and biological engineering, faculty, Professors Graham, Romero, and Zavala. As well, I have colleagues in pharmaceutical sciences, the med school, and biochemistry that we've collaborated closely with. I also have a number of colleagues at other universities in biomedical engineering, math, and computer science that we are collaborating with. To go to my research on the systems biology side, we're interested in virus-host interactions, how these interactions at the molecular and cellular level can play out when virus infections spread to the tissue level and even within human diseases. Ultimately, we'd like to use this kind of knowledge to develop better antiviral strategies as well as vaccines. We've innovated a number of different quantitative approaches at the molecular and cellular level that goes from nanoparticle counting, flow cytometry, infection assays, other areas to get quantitative information about what is going on inside of an infected cell. We also model these processes, bringing in mathematical modeling from chemical engineering perspectives, allowing us to predict the growth of viruses based on their encoded functions. That is work that's going on inside of infected cells. We're also interested in how virus infections spread from cell to cell. So spread then couples the growth of the virus with its transport by diffusion or flow processes. And we've innovated a number of experimental approaches as well as imaging approaches to visualize infections, co-infections, evolutionary processes, as well as ecological. With that work, we also develop quantitative models of infection spread. These can be reaction diffusion type models or reaction convection. On the convection side, that is a collaboration with my colleague, Professor Mike Graham, who's an expert in fluid mechanics. On the systems chemistry side, we're very interested in fundamental questions of origins of life, how heteropolymers like peptides could arise in the absence of cellular machinery. That's a very fundamental kind of question, but we are also interested very much in applications to drug discovery, and this entails developing methods to template against target molecules, peptide approaches. My students and coworkers go off and find gainful employment in universities, in companies, in nonprofits. Most of the university positions are in engineering departments, chemical and biological, though I have one former postdoc who's in a computer science department. The companies are mainly biomedical and human health related, though there are also ones that are machine learning as well as advanced energy storage. In the nonprofits, we have a variety of different areas, including global health and human rights. So that's my summary. Please reach out to me and contact me if any questions arise. I look forward to learning more about you and trying to answer some of your questions. Take care.